You are watching Quick English Tutorials by Neil Sir. Welcome all to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to speak fluently in English and how to make an effective conversation in just 2 minutes. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Hello ma'am, how may I help you?
I am looking to buy an outfit for my nephew. It's his birthday tomorrow.
Oh great, let me show you some latest outfits we have.
Sure, let's go and see them.
How old is your nephew?
He is 9 years old.
Does he like anything in particular?
Yes, he loves Power Rangers.
We do have very good and colorful t-shirts that he would like.
Okay, please can you show them to me?
Sure ma'am, here they are.
Wow, these t-shirts are awesome. How much did they cost?
After a discount they would cost you 500 rupees.
Okay, then I would like to buy 2 different ones. One yellow and the other one blue.
Great, should I pack both of them?
Yes you may, however, don't forget to write his name on the gift card.
Sure, I will. How will you be paying for the t-shirts?
I will be using my debit card to make the payment.
You can pay it at the cash counter.
Okay, I will go right away.
Thank you ma'am for your purchase. Do visit us again.
You are welcome, and thank you for being very helpful.
I hope you liked the video and found it helpful to practice speaking English. Keep learning.